A minivan is unmatched when it comes to interior space and flexibility, whether you need to move a soccer team, a heavy load, or just a growing family and their belongings. Minivans have more interior space than even a large SUV because of their boxy shape, which maximizes their relatively small footprint. Additionally, some come with all-wheel drive, just like an SUV. Two of the most well-liked minivans on the market are the Honda Odyssey and Toyota Sienna, and for a good reason. Both vehicles are roomy, reliable, and come equipped with all the safety and convenience features that customers want. And both are reasonably priced for the majority of families. There are lots of the different comparison tests between these two minivans, but in this video we will compare their 5-year resale value. Assume you like both of these new 2023 Honda Odyssey and Toyota Sienna minivans. You want to sell one of these for the biggest profit after using it for 5 years. In this video, we will find out which model has a higher potential for resale. It's the Lazy Rusher YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. We should conduct some research to find out which of these cars has a higher resale value. We can use the Car Edge website for this task. Just go to Tools, Depreciation Calculator. Fill in the form. Car make, Honda. Model, Odyssey. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current MSRP for the base LX trim is $36,765. Own it for 5 years, annual miles is 12,000. Calculate, and this is our results. After 5 years, a Honda Odyssey will have a 27% depreciation and a $26,706 5-year residual value. Your total cost of depreciation for this vehicle would be $10,059 if you intended to keep it for 5 years. The Honda Odyssey is a well-built car, but unlike some of the other Honda models, it loses value over time. Overall, it ranks in the middle of the pack with respect to depreciation in the short term, but its value continues to fall throughout its useful life. Since families with many children and animals frequently use Odysseys, by the time of 6 or 7 years, it has undergone a great deal of wear and tear. On the other hand, there is a reliability king, Toyota. Let's repeat the research procedure for 2023 Sienna. Car make, Toyota. Model, Sienna. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the Toyota minivan is $35,385. Own it for 5 years, annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. The 2023 Toyota Sienna will depreciate by 23% and have a $27,080 5-year resale value. Your total cost of depreciation for this vehicle, if you intend to keep it for 5 years, would be $8,305. So, look at these two tables. Over the course of 5 years, the Honda Odyssey will depreciate by 27%, and its resale value will be $26,706. A little less will be lost by Toyota Sienna. It will lose 23% of its value over time while maintaining a $27,080 resale value. People trust Toyota's reliability, so the price tag for this car manufacturer's vehicles on the aftermarket is generally high. Hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.